Hey folks, I'm going to show you here how to use a light meter to measure how much light is in any space. We're going to be using it, of course, in a forest to measure how much light is coming through the canopy. So let me first show you that this is the power button. Make sure that it is in the on position when you want to use it, and you turn it off when you're not using it so that we conserve the battery. So here I'm turning it on. There we go. It's not showing me anything, of course, because I got the lens cap covered. But as soon as I remove the lens cap and reveal the meter, the numbers start recording how much light is reaching this spot. Now you'll notice that this is measuring, there's two different ranges here. You see that A and B? That's because you need one setting for low light conditions. That would be range A. Notice that the amount of the measurements here for setting A go from 0 to 200, and for highlight situations, which will pretty much be everything that we do outdoors, will be setting B. So I'm going to go ahead and switch that over to setting B just to demonstrate, how it should look when you're using it. Okay, and of course the numbers up there don't change much because it's still the same amount of light. I want to point out that the whole unit, the whole device is a little bit fragile, so be careful with it in the field, especially this sensor up here. When you're not using the sensor, put the cap back on top so that we are protecting it, because it will get worn out from being exposed to too many photons, and you'll see there that we go back to 0. Once again, to show you that it is actually registering light, you can play with it, you can hold your hand over it and shine lights on it and that sort of thing to see just exactly how much how sensitive it is. But this is what we're going to be using to measure how much light is coming through the canopy. Now one more thing is that out in the field you're going to see that this number is going to fluctuate a lot, because you're going to be sometimes this position here will be in the shade of leaves, and sometimes it'll be catching some sunlight, that sort of thing. So you want to do your best to just take what you think is the average number. Even in these very steady conditions here inside the building, the number's fluctuating around 18, 19, 20 or so. So you just pick what looks to be the most common number and go with that. That's it.